Hello boys and girls, today is July 16, Saturday 2022, and I just unboxed this in a video, but I'm going to now unbox that, which was bought by this person here, LP, and shipped to me to repair. So I'm in the room here, and I do have this one. I'm going to have to work on that one next, or after this, but in the meantime, so I brought out my stereo microphone, so I thought I was going to play it, but no. So there is the wire, so I'm going to go plug this onto the tripod here and open this one. I already have the tripod set up pretty well. I can just get it on here. This is not a Techmoan video. Okay, so yeah, I mentioned him. Okay, so like I said, this came back here in April. Okay, it's now July, so that's what? April, May, June, July. Wow. Oh, anyway, I'm just trying to, I don't take on projects like this too often, but because I have so many other radios in here to work on. So like I said, this one here came from eBay. I'll see if I can do it like this. How about just, okay, there it is, eBay. Okay, yep. So we're going to open this from the bottom. This one's a little bit better packaged, but I don't know. So, yeah. So, there we go. And so this one should be in one piece. According to the ad, the cassette player does not work. That's about all I know. So, no bubble wrap, okay, but it does have lots of, okay, so, great, so right over there. Now that's interesting because the postage thing was on the other side, but they shipped it with the radio down. Okay, so here is the radio in all its glory, including a cracked deal up here, but hopefully let's see here. So eject. The door is on securely, right? Okay. It's got all its buttons, knobs, and whatnot. It's missing the antenna. That's right. And this one doesn't have it does not have a external antenna screw, so you can't really. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so, and then one of the tabs of the battery compartments broke off. It does have the power cord in here, and the battery compartment's clean. Okay, and this is a keyhole power cord. So it's a figure 8 with a flat bottom. A keyhole is what that's called. Why that's like that, I don't know, but okay. So, and this one does have the AC cord there, the transformer. So, and there's really just not a whole lot I'm going to do with that box. So let me just, so such limited room in the room here. And did I plug in the microphones? I didn't plug in the microphones. Okay. So let's just get this put over here. Now, I've got a verified power cord. That's a figure 8. Okay, here. Just, all right, so let's see what this does. All right, so then we check the controls, but there's power. Okay. Hit the power button. Nothing. Okay, well now we need to check, is one of these plugged in? Alright, we need to see, that should be getting power. Okay, well now I've got to go and plug in one of these things here and see if I've got electrical power, because I know this radio here does work. And I plugged up the thing, and so plug this in here. So plug this in there. I should have done this beforehand, but anyway, so there's that. And then if we turn this on, we got no power. Okay, so we got no power here.
Believers in business. I have Rabbi Schneider with me today.
Great, so that does work now. Now we have power. And we now have, okay, so you see me on this one? You can. All right, so, okay, so we put it on. There we go. Give it some volume. Volume scratchy. It will tune. It's on AM. And there's stereo or FM, and then this is FM stereo. Well,
there's actually a simple solution. DuckDuckGo. It's an all-in-one privacy app with a built-in private search engine, web browser, one-click data clearing, email protection, and more. All for free.
Loudness works.
Download the app today and get the most comprehensive privacy protection with a push of a button. DuckDuckGo. Privacy simplified. Hey.
Balance doesn't work.
You want to be a gigillionaire? I know what you're thinking. Well, what the heck is a gigillionaire? Gigillionaires have AT&T fiber.
Plug in the stereo microphone,
They're living the
which we unplugged. Okay, so we already made a test. So, and come on, where's the hole? Oh, good grief! I can't see this thing in the dark. There we go. Okay, this is one channel like that, and this is the other channel like that. Okay, so put this here.
Visit att.com/hypergig to find out about the great internet offers from AT&T Fiber. Limited availability in select areas.
And that should be this channel, but it's very dull. And then
Need to beat this heat? Or layers. Start with your favorite Dunkin' Refresher flavor. Strawberry dragon fruit, peach passion fruit, or mango pineapple. Layer in some tangy sweet lemonade. And layer it again with strawberry fruit foam. Now that's refreshing. New layered Dunkin' Lemonade Refreshers. America runs on Dunkin'. Price and participation may vary. Limited time offer. Terms apply.
If you thought Diamond's Direct's values were impressive,
okay, so the volume works. The balance
celebrating
works.
your golden moments with a store-wide sale, July 22nd.
Controls are dirty. Does the cassette player do anything? Let's check that out. So let's hit play. Okay, I can hear the motor run, but nothing happens. Rewind. Starts and stops. Fast forward. Doesn't do anything. Let's hit eject. Do the same thing again. Okay, nothing's rotating. Nothing's rotating. Get our finger in here and see if the capstan is rotating. Okay, the capstan is rotating. Okay, still rotating. Still rotating. Okay, great. So the main belt is good, but the secondary belts are not good, I'm sure. Okay, and then let's see here. This is a soft touch mechanism, so if you hit play, which is this button here, the heads should pull up, but they won't. They just engage. The heads are down. Let's confirm that by putting a tape in, which I don't really want to do, but well, okay, we can put a tape in. Right, so, but it won't do anything. Can we get our tape out? Yes, we can. Great. Okay. So the secondary belts sit. When you press play, rewind or whatever, the heads don't. When you play, okay. Anyway, the secondary belts are not working. So this probably can be repaired. I don't know about the other machine. Okay. I don't know if we know about the other machine even working. All right. So we know this one here works. Needs an antenna for sure. And it's got all its parts to it. Okay, alright, well that's all we know, so let me just congratulate the microphone. A close-up view of all this. And let's see here. Now, there's that. Here's this. And I do have a, where is it? I do have a small, very small selection of antennas. Maybe I can put that on there. I don't know. And like I said, this one here, I'm not going to get into that. Okay, the AM doesn't work. That's the whole reason why I haven't. AM doesn't work. It used to work maybe 10 years ago in a video I made, but it doesn't work now. And I've also got this this blue model here, and I've got another. I don't know where it went to. Well, there's another. I got 3 Sonys. I got the AM/FM model. I have a shortwave model, and then I have that model. Okay. I don't know where they're in here because everything keeps moving around. All right. So this. All right. So this is going to be, well, like I said, there's that. Here's this. Okay. So I'm good. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. I gotta go work on this today, right now. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.